Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do this look. Here you go. Yeah, and this is a new hair color on me. I don't know, I dyed this for myself. Hopefully the video should be out soon and like how I dyed the hair and everything. But yeah, like I hope you guys like it. I like this hair color on me and like the makeup look that I did. And it's a chit chat video, which I really miss doing on my channel. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and just keep watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a chit chat today, and yeah, we're just gonna do like an update. Sorry for any background noise that you may hear. Yeah, so primed my face with the Milk Hydro Primer, Grip Primer, and then I did my eyebrows too, but now I'm gonna use it for Solly Skin Tune Blur. And like Jackie Honest, this is really good, and I've been using it for a while, and I actually really like it. Like most people are like, wow, girl, like why does your makeup look so smooth and stuff? And I'm like, probably because this. Like I don't know, maybe it's this. I'm not sure. I can't really do a lot of like chit chat videos. I haven't been doing a lot of them because of like I have roommates. No, so well, I always have roommates, but like I don't know how to describe it. I'm just gonna stick to my like regular videos, but I really love doing my chit chat videos, and I feel like y'all like the chit chat videos a lot. But it's okay, we'll figure something out. And then I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this one is in Cocoa. Okay, so let's just talk. So basically, like kind of like a life update. Like I'm a sophomore in college now, and I go to USC. And now, like basically, it's just been I've been trying to like adjust. At first, I was like, oh wow, making more friends and stuff. But like, psych, no. I don't know why I just always have a struggle with like making friends. It's like I'm introverted, but like also extroverted. Like once I get comfortable, then I get extroverted. But then like I just found a lot of people are so immature here in college. So I don't know. I don't understand really like why people are so immature and like the way that they are. Like yeah, and it's just really annoying. But I've been like trying to stay motivated and like trying to do things. I actually quit my like school job because it was just stressing me out, and they weren't really allowing me to do homework there, which is so dumb because most of the homework's on like a computer or like your phone or something. Like, you know, you need like to do your homework on computer. Like most times your homework's on a computer. I just don't understand. So she was just like, no computers and stuff. I'm like, we don't do anything, so why would I not have a computer? Like it was just so annoying. I was like, what are you saying? So I just quit. Yeah, that's the first job I ever quit in my life. So, I mean, not really. I kind of left my other job when I was a waiter, but that was because I was moving. So, but I've been wanting to quit that job too. I just hate working for people. I just don't like working for people. It's just really annoying. Now I'm using my the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Amande. I haven't used it in a while, but I use it from like my eyebrows today, and then I'm going to use it for my under eye. Let me know if you guys like this color. I did it myself. There should be a video up on it already, or like coming very, very soon, depending on which one I edit first. But this hair is from You Liar Hair, and I'll probably I think I want to curl it today in this video. We'll see. We'll see how everything goes. But yeah, let's just keep chit chatting. Yeah, so that's kind of my life update. I've been more happy though, like genuinely happy, and like just working and trying to create and trying to like go on an artistic journey, which is like trying to figure out what I can do to be more creative, because I feel like when I am creative, when I like make looks and like fashion and like create makeup looks, I just get so my best self comes out. Oh, some like life lessons I've been learning, like I don't know where this was, but it was on Twitter. Sometimes I take breaks from Twitter, but I don't really understand why. Like Twitter is actually so good. Like it's so funny. But literally they were saying like it was like a Medea meme, and it was like some people like come in your life, but if someone wants to leave, you gotta let them go. And that's so true. Like I had to like really learn that, because I would be like, why like people like leaving, you know, like leaving my life. I don't understand. But honestly, some people are only there for a season. They're not there for your whole life. They're, you know, you just gotta let them go. And I'm okay with that, because there'll be like some aspects in like the friendship or like anything, they'll just be like, it wasn't working. Sometimes like you give more to people than what they give you, and I don't know. I found out like with a lot of friendships I have, like I'll give more to someone because I feel like loyalty is such a big thing to me, and I don't think that's taught a lot in a lot of people's relationships. So I don't know, it's just really hard when people are just not the same. Like, they don't show the same type of respect or loyalty. Like, people will really disrespect you and like try to do as much as they can to see like how much they can get, like how far they can go into your life, and like how much they can disrespect you, and you gotta just let it cut it. And like now I just haven't been talking much about it. Like, I won't say like, oh, don't disrespect me. I'll just, and then I'll later on, like, hopefully I'll go into like more of my college experience. But I mean, I feel like it's not that great. It's all right, you know. I think honestly because I don't do like many things, like me not drinking and smoking is like one of the reasons probably why I'm not having a full like college experience. Because people like college because they can be free and like independent and not like worry about their parents and stuff. But like I literally always did that. Like I always was pretty independent, and I don't know, that kind of got on my parents' nerves sometimes. But like I'm just really independent. I want to be independent. That's why I want to be an entrepreneur. That's why like it's nothing new to me. Like I just feel chill. Like I don't know. I don't feel any type of way to rebel like against my parents or anything like that. So I feel like right now I'm just like a little bit too mature for the age bracket that I'm in college for, and it's just like it's not matching up. Okay, sorry. I was using the Born This Way concealer at first, and then now I'm using the Laura Mercier powder. I have like so many different goals that I want to reach, and like I get so frustrated when I can't reach them, or like when it's not going fast enough. Um, and I don't know. I just should calm down a little bit because I'm still very young, but like I still want my goals to be met like ASAP. Like I just want to be where I want to be, and I'm just gonna keep working so hard. Like I'm just gonna work so much harder. I don't know what else you guys want to see on YouTube, but I'm so happy that we're growing. I'm so excited because like I don't know, this is what I always dreamed of, like having an audience, having a YouTube channel and a platform. And like some of you guys actually come up to me now, like during school. Like some people at school, like, oh yeah, like wow, watch your videos, and I'm like, me. I'm pretty awkward in person, so sorry about that. But just be like, oh wow, like you really watch me? Like that's crazy. Like all the people that are on YouTube now, and you literally watch me. So like a few people have come to that, and I'm sorry, but y'all probably like, wow, like she doesn't like me. But no, I'm like really awkward, like I just don't know what to say. So, and most people just don't understand that, like, cause I don't know, dark skinned people don't get the best like reputation as far as like being shy. Like apparently we can't be shy, which is weird. But yeah, I feel like my mental state has been better, and I've been more focused on school this time. So I'm trying my best to get good grades, or at least decent grades. Like my grades weren't ever bad, but like, you know, my parents be overreacting and just like calm them down a little bit. But I just be like, now, okay, in high school I was so set. Like if I had a 99%, I'll be like, bro, teacher, come on, hype it up. We need all A's. We need 100%. I don't know why I was like that, but now I don't know, because I was just so destined. I was like focused on where I wanted to be, like going to college and everything. But now I'm just like I'm here, and like trying to balance both things, like YouTube and college and stuff. So why like be so upset about my grades? Because most times like I don't understand the material, and it's not material that I actually need. Like I don't know, I'm in accounting right now, and that midterm was hard, and I don't even know what I just learned. My teacher, I don't understand anything in the class, and I'll be trying to ask for help from the girl next to me, and she's like actually so stuck up. So yeah, because in Marshall like everything's so competitive, they curve down, so it's really hard, but it's okay. Like I don't know, I kind of just don't care that much, and I don't want to like work myself up that much about it anymore, because I used to work myself up about it so much, and now I'm just like, what can you really do, Dallas? Like honestly, you're here, you're gonna graduate with a Marshall degree. That's like amazing. Some people don't even go to college, don't even like achieve the standards you are, even though I do want to work hard and everything. But I'm just saying, like, it's just I feel like I can't be so hard on myself anymore, because that really drove me crazy, and that made me like just not a good person sometimes. Like because of how stressed I would be, I feel like I would take it out on certain people. And now I'm just like learning to control my emotions, and like control like how I feel and like how other people make me feel. So a lot of times I won't lash out anymore like I used to. And I'll just keep it to myself, or like keep it calm and like relieve it in a different way. I'm so excited because I've been playing tennis again, I just play for like class actually, which is funny. I go in with the Stila Ponder custom thing. This is the dark shade right there. And it's so funny because Laura actually gave me this, like Laurasia Andrea on YouTube, and I still have it, so thanks Laura for this. I would just miss tennis so much. I miss being active. I just literally miss being kind of like an athlete still, like from before. And because I was so like stressed out during like high school, I wouldn't go to tennis as much as I needed to and stuff. So yeah, I'm just happy that now I can just play for fun, even though the class is going to end soon. Like we have a midterm, and yeah, we have a midterm on Tuesday, so that should be cool. But it's a pretty easy class. Like it's a 1 unit class, and like, you know, it's just for fun. And since I already know how to play and all the rules and stuff, I don't really need to like study for it or like, you know. So yeah, I really enjoy it. And like if you guys like need more credits or just want to be active and you want to like force yourself to be active, take 1 unit class if you're in college, and that should help a lot. Like hopefully you'll go to class because that actually counts for your grade. You don't want it to bring your grade down, you want it to lift it up. Like you want a GPA booster. So also I'm just trying to like think of internships. I want to work for like in fashion. I want to like guide my channel to be like more fashion, makeup, and hair, like, you know, all three, but like fashion for real. Like literally I love fashion so much, but I couldn't, like, it's before I had to work on my style, and I didn't really have a style. Like at first I didn't have like a controlled style, but now like I have more of a style. I can't wait till I get like all the money that I want to like actually do my style, like, you know, like execute it very well. Now I want to contour my nose. I think I'm gonna like do a question and answer video soon on stuff. Because you guys have like a few questions, and I have a few new followers. It's like mainly from Instagram, because on Instagram I have a bigger following. I'm just so excited because like, I don't know, like I get so excited like when I get to talk to you guys actually. And sometimes when DMs aren't just like, oh, like, I don't know, I answer some DMs sometimes, but then sometimes it gets overwhelming, so I don't. I just enjoy talking to you guys because you guys are my friends. I don't know if you guys, someone said I should do a meet and greet, but I don't know. Like, I don't feel like anyone will actually just come to go to my meet and greet because, like, who am I? Like, literally, I'm a regular person. Like, I don't know. Then I get so, like, shy. Like, not shy, but, like, I just don't know how to react or, like, what to do when people, like, find out that I have a channel or something. Like, I don't like telling people that I'm an influencer or, like, you know, it just feels weird. I like watching these videos again, like back of my videos. I usually don't watch my videos again unless I'm like just trying to figure out like have I grown or like what to do better with my channel. But like I don't watch my videos back often, but maybe like once in a blue moon. And I like watching my chit chat videos because I'm just like, wow, like you really thought like that, or like, you know, like it depends. Sometimes it just sparks new things in me and like, wow, that's crazy. Like you're still going through that, or you know, like keep pushing, doing what I have to do. Also, let's talk about like haters. Be haters in your freaking life, and honestly, let them do what they gotta do. Cause at the end of the day, they don't cut me a check. But if you keep watching my videos, you do cut me a check. I've tried new hair looks, and I think this one's cool. Hopefully, y'all like it too. I don't know. Also, I want to like get back on my wave, like the law of attraction, which was like really, I feel like it benefited me so much in life, and like part of the reasons why like I grew so quick on social media and stuff, because I spoke it into existence and I made sure like it was going to happen. I feel like they are coming true slowly but surely, and like I'm so grateful for how far I've come so far. Just, you know, we're just going up from here. I don't know, it was a big part of me, and then I kind of like stopped doing it, and I don't know why. And I'm just gonna put some mascara on. As far as like boys and like relationships and stuff, just stay away from them. Like literally, they're ill. Like honestly, I've never been like caught up in relationships or like having a relationship or anything like that. And I just feel like, I don't know, maybe they'll come. Maybe I want to say there will come, but like obviously I wouldn't be in a relationship or like with someone, I guess, to have like someone like, oh yeah, like I can always go this place with this person, you know? But it's not gonna be the end of me. I'm not gonna let anyone treat me like anything just so I can be in a relationship with them. No. Especially in college, like do not settle for these people. Like I'm positive, that they're not worried about you. I use the Bobbi Brown highlighter, and this one's in Bronze Glow. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this. But yeah, don't let anyone treat you anyway. And then like I saw like a tweet where someone was saying like, oh, they're young, like they're gonna cheat, da da da. Like what? Are you crazy? No, just because you're young does not mean that you're gonna cheat. Like no, do not expect someone to cheat on you. If you do, just don't be in a relationship with them. That's just like mental like heartbreak and like what is that called? Like no, that's like just disrespectful. Why would no? What? No, don't do that. That's disrespectful. Don't disrespect me. I have too much self-worth to allow someone to do that to me. And yeah, just don't do that. Okay, thanks. And thank you, Summer Walker, for your new album. And Triggered, Janae Aiko, thank you for the remix with 21 Savage and Summer Walker. Like, whoa, that was like, that's the best song ever. That was the best gift someone can ask for because that's my favorite song. Oh my god, like, I'm just so happy how the color came out. I don't know if y'all like it, but I like it a lot. It's cool, like, it's different for me because I'm always wearing black hair. Well, not really, like, I do some types of colors, like, sometimes, but nothing like it was black and I turned it into, like, this. I love it. Ah! Now I'm gonna put my lashes on and then we're gonna work with this hair. We're gonna, like, probably straighten it. So I'm gonna be back. So now I'm just gonna straighten my hair. And, yeah. I just put on lashes and, like, lip gloss and stuff. I'm just gonna, like, try to make it a little bit more straight because I straightened it earlier, but I just feel like my flat iron just does not do justice. Like, I feel like hair could get way more straight, but it just doesn't because I don't know how to do it. Maybe it's just me or like the flat iron itself. I really want to get the Babyless flat iron, which one's like $160, but I heard it works really good. No, I still have goals. I have a lot of goals I want to hit. I want to like learn how to drive first of all. I need to learn how to drive ASAP. And yeah, don't let anyone treat you like anything. Like, hell no. Like, you need to understand your self-worth. Don't allow these people to just treat you anyway. I'll just cut them off. Simple. You don't have to argue. You don't have to do much. Just cut them off. That's how it works. And yeah. Also, like, it's okay that, like, if people aren't on the same wavelength that you are, because that's just like how life works. Like sometimes you can be more mature than a lot of other people. It's okay because you'll eventually find the people that are your wavelength. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you like it. Please give it a like, a comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah, I really like this hair color on me. We're excited. Yeah. Yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye.